To my YouTube channel, guys, and today in this particular video I will talk about Fiverr affiliates, and in this video I will talk about Fiverr affiliates pro gigs. But if you are new on my channel, I will tell you that what is actually Fiverr affiliate marketing. But before starting the video, I will show you my earnings. You can see my name and the amount as well, which I have just earned in 2 days. Now I will tell you how I earned this amount. So first of all, I will give you some introduction related to affiliate marketing and Fiverr affiliates. Guys, affiliate marketing is where you promote someone to someone uh, some product to someone, and whenever someone buy that product or service, you will get commission. The good thing and the best thing is you will require no inventory, no investment, no any kind of shipment hurdle or anything. And for Fiverr affiliates means it is the program which is introduced by Fiverr on self. Means you will not work as a freelancer. You will give service. You will promote freelancers to someone, and when someone will buy service from your affiliate unique link, you will get commission. This is the fundamental and the basics of affiliate marketing and the Fiverr affiliates. Now I will move to the method and I will show you that how you will do this, what is actually Fiverr affiliate marketing is as well. Guys, you can see this is the page of Fiverr freelancer marketplace, but we will move to the Fiverr affiliate. I will click over here and I will show you that some basics things over here in this video. Now you can see if I click over here Fiverr affiliates, you will go in this website. Don't confuse. Fiverr marketplace is a different platform, and Fiverr affiliates is a different, but it is owned by Fiverr. Now I will show you that you when you will see this type of interface in your PC or laptop, you will simply click on the join now. Click over here, and absolutely simply you will fill up the form as like you fill up your Gmail ID. That's it. First name, last name, email address, user password, account type. You will select a private or something company, but definitely if you are a new or if you are individual, select that, and simply you will fill up the simple form and your account will be created within 10 minutes. Okay, now I will click over here and I will click over here on commission plans. Commission plans means you will think that how I earned this amount in 2 days. So this is the theory, this is the thing which I will explain you and you will implement. Fiverr CPA $15 to $150 CPA. CPA means cost per action. Okay, a dynamic cost per action depending CPA depending on what service your first time buyer purchases, and Fiverr hybrid means $10 CPA plus 10% rev shares. First time purchase and rev shares for 12 months. Okay, so Fiverr business, Fiverr affiliates 10%, Fiverr learn 30%. Now the thing is Fiverr CPA commissions $150 Fiverr Pro, and I'm going to show you Fiverr Pro gigs tips in this video. Industrial 50, and according to category, and $40, $30, $25, $15. The minimum commission you will get when you will promote other freelancer, the minimum commission you will get $15. Don't think that this commission is too low, I will not work. No, 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 you will work all categories. But if you are really excited to make more money, so the Fiverr Pro gig you can promote and recommend. But if you want to increase your sale, so first you will start from the beginning and then you will move to the Fiverr Pro. So $150 Fiverr Pro gig. Now the thing is I will click over here on Fiverr marketplace. This is the Fiverr marketplace. Let's suppose I will find website design. Website design means the website designer. Then you will see over here three buttons. Okay, so I will click. I've already clicked over here on Fiverr Pro services. I have checked. If I unchecked, the regular people will appear. Regular gigs will appear in front of you. That's I have already explained you that don't think that to go Fiverr Pro services to think that $150 per sale per service you will get. You can apply multiple methods. You can I mean promote multiple freelancers, pro freelancers or level 2 freelancers as well, level 1 as well. Okay, I will click over here and the pro services will appear and appeared. Now you can see that I will design a creative, unique, and responsive. Now here the real thing will be start from here, as you will simply get the unique URL from here. For example, I will click on this gig, okay, and then we will see that yes, the thing is the commission rates and all thing will be covered if you will get $150 if you promote this freelancer from your affiliate link. So how you will find the affiliate link? You will click over here, then you will copy. That's it. Okay, now you will go to your affiliate dashboard. Here you will click over here on mark default and deep links. You will click over here on LP URL. You will click over here paste, and then you will uncheck. Okay, the link has been shortened. Or if you want to um, if you want to use, you can use a longer link as well. If the shortened link will not work, you can use longer link, or you can use bitly, cutly, or something, any free tool to shorten your affiliate link. This is very easy. Okay, so I will copy the link from here, Fiverr CPA. Okay, I have clicked, and then the link has been copied. The thing is, I will not use the in this video that I mean landing page. I will simply use the trick over here. The trick is, uh, let me show you that the website where we are going to promote our freelancers and affiliate links, the website gets 43.88k traffic. Okay, now the thing is, the website name is article biz. Article biz is a website, is a very very big website. I will click over here on, I will check article biz. Okay, uh, not getting the, okay, article biz. So it is actually simple. You will go on the website article biz. You will no need to create account over here. You will not require any kind of landing page for this trick, for this tip. Simply you will click over here on submit article, and after that you will simply see the uh, yes, like this. So author name, you can use your name. Email address, you can use your personal email address. You can use your business email address. Article title, you will give the title that best freelancer on Fiverr, best web designer on Fiverr, something like that. I'm giving you the example. You can use any category according to your requirement. You can promote any kind of freelancer, any kind of category freelancers. That will be your own choice. But for the example, for the article title, you can use any kind of freelancer, best graphic designer, best video editor, best uh, SEO specialist, digital marketer, or something. Okay, so article category, you will select the category. So you can select category like any kind of. marketing and advertisement, or home business, e-commerce, or affiliate program, or some select category. But I will I think recommend for hair for, because I have already applied and tested this method. So I will definitely advise you to go for business category. Okay, so I will find business category of okay, home and business, simple. And after that, you will paste your article article and in the article you will paste your affiliate link, this one. Okay, affiliate link as well in the article. Simple. How you will create your article, this is the question. Simple, you can go for open AI chat gpt. You will go there, and after that you can click over here, try new. Okay, so it is taking some time, but no problem. Okay, chat gpt is at capacity, right? It is actually, the website is busy, chat gpt is busy. But I know everyone knows that ChatGPT is so popular in these days. You can create free article, 500 to 600 words, 400 words, that up to you, and give the value and give some solutions to users. And you can use your affiliate link in the article. Simple. So that in that case, you will require no landing page. Resource box and simple resource box, you can actually paste your uh, you can paste your include short by about, include your email or website address information, maximum to you. If you have website, if you are using website, or if you are using any free landing page, you can give the URL over here, or you can give some short bio about yourself. But this is not compulsory. But you can give your website or landing page address over here. Otherwise you can paste same article over here. That is not a big deal. uh, After that, challenge question, what is 9 plus 5? Simple, you will give the answer and click here and click here, and then you will click on continue. After 40 years, or within 40 years, or your article will be approved and will be online on article base. And there are a lot of people will read your article and get engaged. And definitely the people who are interested to buy some service from Fiverr, you they will go from your affiliate link, and then you will get commission. So I have tried this method, and there are two people actually bought from my affiliate link from article biz pro services. And one service a person got from my affiliate link for without no pro gig. So simple, from the simple freelancer, level 2 or level 1 freelancer, and two pro services. That's why I got that amount. Okay, so hope this video will become very helpful for you. If you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comments. I will definitely give you the answer, because this channel is created for you, and I give the tips and tricks and free methods shared in this channel. So kindly subscribe and hit the bell icon as well, and make sure to like this video. So, or if you are interested, if your friends or family are struggling to make money online, share with them. And till now, take care and goodbye.